Volkswagen trailer. My name is Bernard and welcome to the Car Finder Garage. This is a cold start video of the 2005 Volkswagen Beetle Turbo. Has been turned on in a good week. See my hands on this motor. Everything. Very, very cold, in fact. There you go, blue lights on. All the dummy lights work. Okay, the brake light's on obviously because the e-brake is up. Drop that, and then I'm not wearing my seatbelt. And the temperature light's on blue because it's cold. Little shiner there. Okay, air pumps are off. Engine's warming up. Thank you for tuning in, and God bless.